2021 Toyota Corolla with less than 71,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.